Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to revise our chapter 8, My Classroom. Let us start. My Classroom. A classroom is a room in the school where the teacher teaches the student. There are a big room in the school and many table and chair there for student and board in front and teacher teach student in the classroom. Our classroom has many windows. They let light and fresh air. A big room with windows to allow fresh air in and light to enter in the class. Sufficient light and oxygen must enter in the class because many students are sitting there and they are breathing inside the room. Things found in a classroom. In a classroom, there are tables and chairs for the student to sit and study. A big room have many table and chairs to sit the student in the classroom. There is a big table and a chair for the teacher in front of the class to face the student. A teacher write on the board with a chalk or a marker. A big board in front of the class to write something on the board. Teacher write on the board with marker or a chalk to explain the chapter for a student. There is a cupboard for the teacher to keep things. A cupboard also in a classroom to keep things, books and notes in the cupboard for a teacher. There is a display board on the wall in the classroom. Pictures and charts are displayed on this board. There is a dustbin in the classroom to throw waste. We should keep our classroom neat and tidy. We should throw waste papers and waste things like wrappers and pages of your copies. You have to throw in this container or this dustbin. A dustbin is a container in which we throw our garbage and waste materials. Let us see main points of the chapter. A classroom has desk, benches, cupboard, a board and a dustbin. In a classroom, a desk for writing to the student, benches to sit the students, cupboard for teacher to keep their things in this cupboard and a board to write on them with a chalk or marker and a dustbin to throw waste materials or papers in the dustbin to keep the class neat and clean. It is also has a display board on the wall. A display board on the wall in a classroom is used to paste papers and pictures related to the chapter to explain the students and to show the students. These pictures are pasted in this display board. We should keep our classroom neat and tidy. Means we should keep our classroom clean. We should not throw dust. We should not throw waste papers on the floor. We have to throw these waste materials in the dustbin and we should keep our classroom neat and tidy. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.